To turn on the device, connect the 3-pin plug in the AC mains socket and switch on the power supply. Now the display will turn on. There are two modes of operation of this device. One is in off time mode and the second is in real time mode. When the switch is towards the off time, the display shows time in minutes. When the switch is turned towards real time, the display shows real time clock in hours and minutes. There are three push buttons in the device. First is the mode or set push button. The second is increment start or stop push button, and the third is decrement push button. The mode or set push button is used to enter the programming mode and to save values of parameters in programming mode. The increment push button is used to increment the values of parameters in programming mode, and it is used as a manual start or stop button when not in programming mode. The decrement push button is used to decrement the values of parameters when in programming mode. To program the device in off time mode, press the set push button for 3 seconds. Now the display will start blinking. Press increment or decrement push button to change the values as per your requirement, and press set to save the value. We have to manually turn on the device in the off time mode, so press the manual start stop push button. Output on LED turns on and the ozone gas generation starts inside this chamber. A powerful fan will turn on which will blow ozone gas out in the room. The device will automatically turn off after the programmed time, which is 25 minutes in this case. You can also manually turn off the device by pressing the manual start stop button again. That is it for programming in off time mode. Now before starting the programming in real time mode, keep in mind some important points. In real time mode, the display shows clock time in hours and minutes. The time here is displayed in 24 hours format. That is, after 12 in the noon, the hours will be written as 13, 14 and so on. This should be kept in mind while programming on time and off time. Generally, the clock time is already set when you receive the device, so change the clock time only if required. Now we will see how to program the device in real time mode. Change the switch position. Now the display shows hours and minutes. To enter the programming mode, press the set push button for 3 seconds. Now the display shows CL, which means we have to set the clock. Press set to proceed. Now the hour digits start blinking, so set the hours. After selecting the hours value, press set to save. Now the minutes will start blinking. Now set the minutes. After setting the minutes, the display will show on, which means we have to set the on time now. Press set to proceed. Now the hours start blinking. Similarly, set the hours for the on time. After setting the hours, set on time minutes. After setting the on time minutes, the display shows off, which means we have to set the off time. Press set to proceed and similarly set the off time. After we are done setting the off time, the programming will be completed and the display will show the real time clock. The device will turn on and turn off according to the programmed times. However, if we want, we can manually turn on and turn off the device by pressing the manual start or stop push button.